Jan from Rise Above, and I'm here to teach you how to do a knee up crunch. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna start by lying on the back. Now the reason why I like to do a knee up crunch is because it takes hip activation out of this. When we do something like a sit up, and say towards the end of the rep, we're actually using the hips to pull us up versus the actual ab. On this, I say it's all abs, so you don't have to worry about any sort of hip engagement. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is we're gonna take those knees and we're gonna bring them up so we've got about a 90-degree angle at the hips, 90-degree angle at the knees. And like I said, this is gonna rotate your hips to keep those hip flexors from actually taking over the movement. Let's say from here, we either gonna go arms across the chest or by the ears. I prefer over the arms by the chest. The reason being is we tend to pull on our head and we don't wanna do that. So the biggest thing on this is making sure we get a full range of movement on this exercise. So you're actually going to want to create an arch in your low back to start. This is going to create a fuller range of motion for those abs. So the first thing you're doing is creating that arch in the back. You're then going to go ahead, you're going to push that low back into the floor, and then you're going to pull those shoulders up and off the floor as far as you can before bringing it all the way back down to that full arched position. And then one more time, we're in that arch, pulling those shoulders up and off the floor as far as you can, and then back down. What this looks like a little bit quicker, up, arch, and then back up. And that's how you do your knee up crunch.